Today, let's spend a few minutes crocheting a star hanging string together. It's simple and pretty. You can swap in your favorite small accessory here. If you like it, follow along with me to crochet it. Chain stitch. Make 3 chains. Go back to the 3rd chain, and crochet an incomplete half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through to elongate. At the same position, crochet 2 more. Second one. Third one. Yarn over and pull through all loops together. Repeat 3 chains afterward. Crochet 3 incomplete half double crochets in this space. Yarn over and pull through all loops together. Continue with 3 chains. Crochet 3 incomplete half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all loops. Follow this method and repeat until you reach your desired length. Finish with 1 chain. Then join the beginning and end together. Thread it through this space, then through the starting space. Slip stitch. Next, make 6 chains. Slip stitch in the same position. Make 3 chains next. Crochet the border. Slip stitch in this space. 3 chains. Slip stitch in the next space. Repeat 3 chains afterward. Slip stitch in this space. Complete this round on your own. Chain 1. Cut the yarn. Bring the yarn tail to the wrong side. Tie a knot with both strands to secure. Then hide this yarn tail. This way, our hanging loop is completed crocheting. Next, let's crochet a small star. Magic ring. Chain 1. Work 1 half double crochet in the ring. Then work 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Work a slip stitch in the back loop of the second chain. Work 1 half double crochet in the ring. Chain 1. Slip stitch in the ring. This completes the first group. Let me demonstrate again. Chain 1. Work 1 half double crochet in the ring. Then work 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Work a slip stitch in the second chain. Work 1/2 double crochet in the ring. Chain 1. Slip stitch in the ring. You need to work 5 small corners in total. Cut the yarn after the last slip stitch. Pull the ring tight and bring this yarn tail out from the wrong side. The small star is completed. Glue the star onto the main part, and finally attach your favorite keyring. This hanging loop is done. Give it a try if you like it, babies. Feel free to share your work in the comments section.